If you're into photography, you probably heard of Topaz Photo AI, but does it really live up to the hype as the best AI photo enhancer? Let's dive into what this tool offers and see if it's worth your time and money. Topaz Photo AI is designed to help you enhance your photos using artificial intelligence. The core functionality focuses on improving image quality, reducing noise, and upscaling resolution without losing detail. When you first open the app, the interface feels user-friendly, which is great for both beginners and more experienced photographers. You can easily drag and drop images to get started, and the processing speed is fairly quick. What stands out is the AI's ability to analyze your photos and make adjustments automatically, which can save you a lot of time. However, some users might find that the automatic enhancements aren't always perfect. They may require manual tweaking to get the desired results. Also, while the app seems to be aimed at a wide range of users, it's not clear how well it performs on niche photography styles. Overall, it's a solid tool, but there are areas that could use more clarity on its capabilities. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Topaz Photo AI offers impressive enhancement capabilities that can really bring your images to life. The user interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users might find the automatic adjustments inconsistent, which can be frustrating if you're looking for precise control. Additionally, while the product seems to be well received, there's limited information on long-term user experiences, which raises some trust concerns. Pricing could also be a sticking point. It's not the cheapest option out there, and potential buyers may want to weigh whether the features justify the cost. It might not suit casual users looking for simple edits, but serious photographers could find it beneficial. In conclusion, Topaz Photo AI is a solid choice for photographers looking to enhance their images quickly and effectively. If you're serious about photography and willing to invest, it could be worth trying out. On the other hand, if you're a casual user or on a tight budget, you might want to explore other options first.